This one is to all you teachers and parents out there. How do you create a multiplication in Excel that can be created with one simple formula and 2 clicks? Well, this is how you do it. Put your cursor in cell A1. You're going to say equal row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, multiply by column, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and hit enter. What essentially it does is that it gets the row number, which is number 1 here, multiply by column number, which is also 1, which gives you the value of 1. Now if you were to extend this formula all the way to j, which is 10, it gives you a running number of 1 to 10. So essentially what's happening is that, let's say for example this cell here, the row number is 1, which is 1, multiplied by column, which is E, which is also translated to 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Now if you take this and extend all the way down to the 12 rows, you can see that it creates a multiplication table. Let's dissect a bit here. Let's say if we put a cursor right here. So if you look at the formula here, row will return a value of 4 and column will return a value of 2. So 4 times 2 is essentially 8, and that's how you create a multiplication table here. And just as a cosmetic now, so that you can print it nicely, so that you can use it for a class or your child, what you can do is basically, what I like to do is maybe middle and center, and let's increase the row height to say 52, like that, and then let's increase the column width to say 22. And then let's increase the font size to approximately say 36, like this. And if you were to make it bold, Control B to bold it. Let's zoom out a bit more so that everything is encapsulated in one. It'll look something like that. Let's add some borders, border all. And to finish off, I'll just like to color this thing to maybe a light blue like this, so it looks nicer and presentable. And this one, maybe a slightly darker color like this, and then you're done, and this is your multiplication table.